Mzee oye!
Now, the late Musamali had to face exile first.
Papa Musamali wekombe anyoa wamura.
Then I had not met him before he went into exile, but during the peace talks, I met him in Nairobi.
Ne abese nanyoana mwakana ngamba kumurata ne kwakelesha kwakana na in Nairobi munganiha cheki kwangwanyi iyabao.
And he told me how he had been in exile and he had the group here in Mount Elgon.
Wamuborera ari iseari indumu muli Rubeka rwe Kenya atwera ni lituliliewe isiarangirira isibaranga Elgon 13.
In the second phase of the fight, we had concentrated on the Ruero area and Rwenzori.
Hukupana hwe kumukwenda kwa habiri kwa barukali nabi Rubeka rwe mwaro rwe Buganda isibaranga bali Ruero.
The first phase, we had been active here. That's when we had the fights in Maluku and so on, during the time of Amin.
Kumukwenda kwa nyoa mu nyanga cheo Amini kwa barukali ho busa Rubeka rweba bwame anyange neno akarikari isi huli neno.
And that time I had gone out because we had defeated UPC, and I had gone out to get guns so that we have enough guns to ensure that there is no chaos in the country.
Munyanga genecho abe nakendaho na rebulafu hocha huima chihendie nyondi huokeshe bale bebano ebe mu UPC ne babandi hulisa hulibe kumwinya otawe.
So when I was outside Obote collapsed, then I came to Nairobi. That's when I met Musamali.
Nga Obote wahayihane abwe nao niye sinacha nanyola wanda ese Musamali Perez.
He was with some other people. I don't remember who were with him. He had a group of people with him.
Nga wakana na newe mumakombe Musamali sinyana khebulira bulayi babandu babandi babane nabota ne imanyana abane babandu babandi.
As we are writing the memorial which the Omukuka talked about, we should capture all this information.
Nga ne muandikha sikhebusyo syo mumakombe Perezi ni komba na mubukule babandu bano bosi mubarele mungani hangenecho.
Because I remember he was not alone. He had like a group.
Sabe ngene tawe abahone babandu bewe bakhali batwera tawe.
So I agreed with them that you continue, we shall come from the other side.
Namubora na ewe nuchebweni ni Elgon 13 nafwe huambile Rubeka Rurundi.
So when we captured power,
nga huambile burangilisi bwa Uganda,
you heard that he was a member of the NRC.
Echa waba murubushano lituli lyeruhobese khulanga khuli NRC.
That group, it was a small group of only 32 people.
Lituli lyo lyabaliye babandu bapeperi bali busa babola bukali bweka 32.
So they were nominated by the leadership of the army and NRM to be the parliament.
Bangalibwa ne lituli lyebuhangarani NRM atwera ni bana mae hukuikera NRC yokuba ngaruhobo ruhuru na mwe parliament munyanga ngene checho.
We had a few members when we were in the bush, people like Alhaji Gongo, Father Seguya. We had a few of them in the bush. But when we captured Kampala, we met in Rubiri barracks and added other names, and that's how Musamali's name was added.
Mukhoya mumanye mulinga khusili mwiswa khwabani babandu bapeperilala nga luno ibo muwulilakho Haji Kigongo ne babandi nenga khwolile mu Kampala khwabukulakho khwatubasyakho babandi niyo bacha bayimba bola kataruna babirera sindu sino khwasikholera mu Lubiri barracks.
So that means that we had recognized his contribution at that stage.
Lolakho okhwonekhwa khukhwokesya khuri abe khwamanya bikali ebyakholera injukhayukhana lino nebona ni mumbuke yengene khwakhola khuryo khwamanya khuri aliwo.
You remember we expanded the NRC in 1989 by having some new elected people.
Nga khwolile kumwakha kamakhumi sinane na syenda khwecha khwambikhakho khukhole khuri eneyi ne khwacha ndi becha bangala bandu babandi khuchebweni.
But when Musamali died, he was part of the original 32.
Era Perez ngafwa niye uwasimamile elala mu bandu kamakhumi kataru na babili ba NRC namwe parliament yabawo iya kataru na babili NRC.
It was a pity that he was killed by the Foba people when they were coming from Kenya.
Shehuka hukali nga huulira khuri mukosi ya Perez Musamali welibwire ne bachonwake baberanga bali force of bote bag ate nga bamile lubeka lwe Kenya.
So we had a simple plan of supporting the families of our people, of educating the orphans.
Khwabanene nga kharengeha iryerio khubona khuri rukana bafubi banyole khobulekeli khukhola sikero na bulebe.
And that's why I introduced what they called the State House scholarships, which some people were attacking. Why should there be State House scholarships? Scholarships should be in the Ministry of Education, not in the State House. But I said no. I am the one who knows these orphans. The people in education don't know them.
Kilo obona khwarao lituli na mweruso kya lwe khulekela babana befwe bafubi ne balekhwa ate khwarura musirebe sikhulu sya State House. Akhabanga baliyo ndi babandi bakana khusipanisya khusirekanisya bali lwasina sesiba mu Ministry ya Education syaba mu State House nese sikhayilakho natawe lituli lino na mweruso kya luno nilo lukana luwe bulekele babandu befwe bafubi babana bafubi.
Using that formula we tried to capture as many of our orphans as possible.